TikTok ban for network marketers. Last week I did a video on why TikTok banned network marketers and if you should still be building over there on TikTok. And in today's video, I'm going to give you some strategies on what you can do if you are a network marketer and you still want to build over on TikTok. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, so last week, if you didn't check it out, make sure after this video you check out the TikTok bans, because they just came out saying that they were not going to let MLM or network marketers build over on TikTok. So what does that mean if you still want to build over on that platform? Well, I briefly talked about last week building a brand over on TikTok and not necessarily your network marketing business, which is what I have preached from the get-go, right? So we don't want to be a spammy Sally, so to speak. We want to actually create a brand. And the same thing applies over on TikTok. So I'm going to tell you about the 90-10 rule. 90% of your time, whether you're on TikTok, you're on Facebook, you're on Instagram, you should be providing value to your audience. So I'd like to say it's like a jab, jab, punch. Value, 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 and then you slowly punch over them with your product, your opportunity, because people join you, not your company. So you want to be making sure that you are niching down on TikTok, providing value. So what is it that you're passionate about, and how can you tie that into your network marketing opportunity or your network marketing company products that they sell, right? So for example, if you are into fitness and your network marketing company is weight loss products, then you are going to go over onto TikTok and you are going to go and provide value on what people should be eating, what type of exercises they should be doing, what type of healthy lifestyle choices they can be making. And then you are going to funnel them into other social media platforms. Now, the place that I think you should definitely be growing if you're growing on TikTok is flowing them into your YouTube channel right here, because that's where you can provide long videos, you can provide that like, know, and trust factor, and you can become that expertise. Now, if you haven't checked out my masterclass for YouTube, I'm going to link it in the description below. It's a free masterclass on how to use YouTube to generate sales on autopilot and get people joining your team, which is where you're going to funnel them from your TikTok, right? Now, another place that you want to think about, so you want to think about TikTok as the top of your funnel, right? You're going to grow your audience, but it's really honestly not the most social platform. So what do? You want to get them onto your other social media platforms so that you can actually carry on that conversation. So for example, when you're over on TikTok, unless you two are following each other, it's really hard to carry on those conversations. It's really more of an entertainment platform than it is a social platform. So what do I recommend? I recommend that you drive them, you want to drive the traffic other places, right? So how can you do that? You want to put up a link tree, or I actually am liking Beacons best. It's Beacons. It's an app that you use. So when you have 1,000 subscribers over on TikTok, you can have a clickable link in your profile. And let me tell you, people are following your profile, right? They're following those links. And Beacons, you can set it up so that they can follow all of your social media outlets. Now, as a whole, TikTok will let you connect to your YouTube and they'll let you connect to your Instagram. But if you want to drive them over to, let's say, Facebook, if you've got a Facebook group, I strongly recommend that being one of the next steps in your funnel. So for instance, the top of your funnel is TikTok, then you're going to drive them to your YouTube channel, you're going to drive them to your Facebook group, you're going to nurture that relationship so that they have that like, know, and trust factor that goes along with joining your team or checking out your products. In your link tree or your Beacons link, you can also link your favorite products, which happen to be your network marketing products. It's also a great opportunity to fill out other affiliate offers that you like. So for example, if you're really into, the beauty industry and you've got a favorite mascara or favorite hair, blow dryer or something like that, you can also link that in your beacons or your link tree so that they can go and have, a link over there as well. And let me tell you, people check out your link all the time. Over on my TikTok, I get people that are subscribing to my YouTube channel, that are buying my products from my YouTube channel. I get people that are joining my Facebook group that I have for network marketers, and I'm going to link that in the description for you as well so that you can make sure that you follow me. But basically what you want to look at is you want to look at TikTok as a place that you're going to provide value and entertainment. And then you're going to drive this traffic to other social media outlets so that you can continue to nurture that relationship, right? And so it's that like, know, and trust factor. So you actually become kind of like a omnipresent everywhere without being omnipresent. Now that's a different training for today, but what I do want to say to you is that you want to start with your TikTok. You want to be providing value. You want to find the trends and make sure you're incorporating your niche, your brand with the trends and entertaining your audience over on TikTok. But then you need to drive that audience off of that platform onto your other social media outlets so that they can get that like, know, and trust factor, because it's very, very hard to get that like, know, and trust factor over on TikTok unless you both are following each other. You cannot message each other. You cannot communicate with each other. It gets lost in the comments. It's just not the most organized social platform, but man, is it entertaining. All right. So like I said, in the description below, I'm going to put for you a free masterclass on how I've been able to grow my network marketing business over on YouTube. And that's where I am directing all of my traffic from TikTok is over to my YouTube channel and over to my YouTube masterclass that I have as well. All right, so make sure that you subscribe to this video so that you never miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.